Hello everyone, welcome to the electronic simulation series. In this particular session we'll study about the DeMorgans laws. So these are the logic diagram of the verification of DeMorgans law. As you can see, the equations is given a dot b the whole bar is equal to a bar or b bar, and a bar or b or a or b the whole bar is a bar and b bar. So this is the first one. Let us verify this will verify the first one. Okay, a and b the whole bar is a bar or b bar. We'll be doing this on SimulIDE, and then we'll verify the second one. So now we are into the SimulIDE to verify the DeMorgans law. So let us go for the first law. So first of all we need to select the gates, the logic gates. So I'll take the AND gate. So first of all we need a and b the whole bar. So this is a and b, and we need a buffer. Actually we need a NOT gate, but we are getting a buffer. I'll just click here and convert it to this one in invert output. So now it becomes a NOT gate. Now for the right hand side of the first law, DeMorgans law, we need OR gate. Now this OR should, the input to the OR should be inverted, so we take again a this buffer and convert it into NOT gate. So just click here, sorry, and invert output. Here also invert output. Now we need to give the inputs to this gates. So I'll just come here and fix voltage source. So this fixed voltage source, one more fixed voltage source, and here one more fixed voltage source, and one more fixed voltage source. So we connect the inputs, and for output we need a probe. So I'll just connect the probe here. I'll just put it probe here, two probes for two outputs. So now do the connection. This is connected. The upper circuit shows the left hand side of the DeMorgans first law, and the lower this one is the right hand side of the DeMorgans laws. Now we are done. Let us now run the simulation. Now for 0 0, and this is also 0 0, both are 1. Now let us make 0 1. So now this is 0 1. For 0 1 this is 1, and this is also for 0 1 this is 1. Now let us make this as 1 1 0. Okay, and this is also 1 0. For 1 0 both are 1 1, and let us take the last one 1 1. Okay, so for 1 1 both become 0. So both outputs are following the same sequence. For 0 0 0 1 1 0 both were 1 1, all were 1, and for 1 1 they became 0. So these two circuits, they are equivalent. These two circuits, they are equivalent. It means that left hand side of that Boolean law is same as the right hand side. We can replace a and b the whole bar as a bar or b bar. Now let us go for the second law. Now for the second law, if we observe, we just need to swap this gate. So this AND I'll just remove here, and this OR I will remove this, and here we had OR gate. So I'll just replace this by this was actually AND gate. I'll replace it by OR gate. So we'll find this, okay, OR gate. This is OR gate, and this one is replaced by AND gate. So this is AND gate. So previously we had AND here and OR here. So for the second law we have this. So connect the circuit. We will connect the circuit this way. This is the connection done, and here this is the connection. So this is DeMorgan's second law. The upper circuit, this part shows the left hand side of the DeMorgan's law, a or b the whole bar, and this the right hand side, that is a bar and b bar. So let us now verify this. So for, let's start with 0 0, both 0 0. So this is 0 0 0 0, both are having 1, both are the outputs are 1 1. Now for 0 1 this becomes 0, and for 0 1 this also becomes 0. So for 1 1 0, again both are 0 0, and for 1 1 again both are 0 0. So what we see is when the input sequence is 0 0, both were 1. for all the other input sequence both were zeros. So both the circuits, they are equivalent. In other words, we have verified the DeMorgan's second law. So this is how we can verify the DeMorgan's laws using SimulIDE. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.